Yo, what's up? Welcome from Seminyak Square, Bali, Indonesia. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. I'm gonna show you, as every day I'm showing you how's the life going in Bali, and there will be no difference today. Been a while when I was in this is Seminyak 8th Street, Seminyak Square. Been a while when I was here, so today is the day to show you really what's cracking here today. That's the Seminyak Square Mall. If you're gonna go into that direction, there will be the legendary Kudeta Beach Club. If you're gonna go here, there will be the proper Eat Street, Kayu Aya Street exactly. There's so many restaurants, you can go up to La Favela. And if you're gonna go into that direction, there will be entrance to the Seminyak Square Mall, and also a few restaurants that they are busy for the breakfast. But today it's already afternoon, so this is the street. All the action is always going. Always you can remember there are some nice boutiques at the front of it, and basically gonna go up to a corner where is the red carpet and the La Favela. Legendary places in general. Gonna show you what's going on. If you just new on today's video and on my channel, you should consider to subscribe, of course, because I'm showing Bali. How is it? What is it every single day, without much editing, without much hiding up. Actually, I'm never hiding up anything. That's the reason why many people likes to watch my videos, because I'm always showing everything. It is what is it. This place, it's still empty, perhaps. Guys, what I'm gonna tell you, it's been 2 months when I was working here, because I was 5 weeks in Europe. There's Cafe Revolver entrance. I had a coffee actually this morning, Cafe Revolver, but this one in Canggu, this one is in Seminyak. Same place, same company, same owner, same brand. We also have in the airport nice coffee though. There's little clinic here in Seminyak with 24 hours emergency assistance. And overall, Eat Streets was very popular. Those light bikes, unbelievable. Eat Street is popular for the restaurants like this one. This one is actually Greek restaurant where you can have a lunch or dinner. Overall, past years, past decades, it was extremely busy and the most hyped, the most popular place in Bali for a dinner and lunchtime, but especially for a dinner. Recently, the situation after pandemic changed a little bit. As you can see, some buildings became abandoned, like this one or this one as well. So saddest looking street a little bit, but still many restaurants survive, and some of them become the new one, new brands totally. So it's still Aka Eat Street, but also so many shops with the like a boutiques where you can spend money, buy something cool. So it's not only about the restaurants, but also about the shopping, and also time to time you can find some city hotel. So it's cool. Chandi. This bar is actually a little bit more successful, a little bit more busy. So something like this one. Time to time you can really find the people strolling around. Massages options also are here. So here we go. Anybody should find something what is interesting for you. Surfer shops like a Ripco, Palm Lagoon with the flower shirts, and some city hotel also is here. Book tour, rent a bike. This is like a little bit like a street, like a Soi 11 in Bangkok. I don't know, it feels very similar like a Soi 11 in Bangkok actually. It's a little bit of everything on the one simple street. If you ever been in Bangkok, you know what I'm talking about. With the difference, of course, is there will be no many girls on the street like on Soi 11 or any other streets in Bangkok. That's the biggest difference. But you can find perhaps more interesting restaurants like this one, which actually is the biggest advantage and difference between Bangkok. So this is it. That's why it's called Eat Street, like this one, with so many restaurants. Yo, what's up? Hi. And this is like a little gang inside. There will be so many villas deep inside where many people also staying. So it's very similar, because on Soi 11, if you go to Soi 13, there's many condominiums actually where also people staying. So it's actually on point. But of course, two different countries, two different vibes. But still Southeast Asia, so makes sense. This hotel is totally under the renovation actually. And there is the Italian Job restaurant. Good place for some Italian stuff. I've been here during pandemic, it was open actually. And next to Italian Job, the traffic situation is starting actually. Here you go, the traffic congestion back to 2016, 17, 18, 19. The traffic jam was very, very bad here in general. Now it's changing a little bit, but yeah, like this one, you have to squeeze between the cars because there's delivery. There's some bar and hotel at the same time, but the cars are moving slowly at least. There's another restaurant I just wanted to show you, like this one. I have some of these inside as well. But back to a few years ago, half decade ago, I was like very busy. Salazon was here. I remember they opened in 2019. One of my friends recommended me this place. Suddenly in 2023 they are gone bankruptcy. Totally sad, a little bit sad. Great memories. My friend is also not here actually. Even the shop there is also closed. So this street definitely didn't recover as good as, well, Canggu perhaps or Ubud. Unfortunately, and probably So 11 in Bangkok also recover better than this street. Ultimo, this is also one nice restaurant. It was different name of the restaurant actually previously, originally. They changed it. And if you go more and more, there will be more shops, obviously. Bamboo Blonde is the brand here in Bali for ladies. On the other side, Uluwatu shop is also nice with premium cotton stuff. Pharmacy, Guardian, this is actually British company, I guess. So everybody should know. Loud bikes, corn guy here. That's the vibes. Not too many people, pedestrians, strolling around on the street. Actually, that's the one thing. Kimberley Spa, this is like a spa option. But next to the spa there is another building. Nothing happened actually here. It's totally closed and abandoned. There is no sign for rent, but nothing is going on. So those buildings like this one, you can find actually quite many of them. That's why to compare to the other video makers, YouTubers in Bali, I'm showing you everything. If it's something close, something it's ugly, I will show it. But some of them, they will not. Like this one, for example, empty land between the walls, also nothing is going on. But good thing is, as there are some tourists there trying to catch Gojek online taxi. Closer to La Favela, a little bit busier actually, and traffic is also. Los Gringos construction, I don't know if they're gonna ever build something here, but seems like there's one guy working. He's gonna build the whole entire place. Not sure, maybe this is like only warehouse for another company, but Los Gringos supposed to be here, which is like some sort of bar, tequileria, however you call it. Of course, so many stuff, you know, like this one. You can buy very Southeast Asian vibes, massage, of course, and stuff. So little bit of the traffic congestion. This is the biggest difference to the last time when I was filming here. That's for sure. That's without doubt is the biggest difference, because obviously last time was very quiet here, but now definitely seems like it's more alive on the both sides, in the road and on the footpath. At least in this point, closer to the La Favela and Red Carpet, which is the central location. It's just busier. This is like if you compare to So 11 again, if I can. This is where is the I Love by my Marriott and 7-Elevens in the corner. Always busy there, and it's somehow always busy here. The goat here is busy, supposed to be busy actually. That's nice gastropub, and overall, places, markets like this one, Berlin kebab, quiet. Kebab shops in Bali, they're not performing well. It's legendary La Favela, which is open also at 7, so it's obviously it's closed right now. It's 5:30, so I believe if you come here at 8, 9, 10 p.m. it's gonna be pretty busy recently. Pardon me for the loud motorbikes, but people in this country, they like, and on this island especially, they really love the loud bikes for some reason. I have my own theory why, but this is not the topic about the video. There is little gang actually going also. There are so many villas and a lot of people only for motorbikes, but a car could fit there. And of course, little bit of the traffic congestion here as well. So kinda Seminyak is a little bit more alive than it was. That's for sure. Like to stop a little bit here and show you actually what's going on. Make it this video like 12 minutes long. The photographer is also coming. We're gonna making something. So to give you point of view how it was like before at 5:30, this is actually 5:30 p.m. It was busier than it's now, but the busy like this one is good enough for 2023. And I believe at night it's actually more alive. So next time I may come back here at night, like 9, 10, something like this one, and show you actually perhaps La Favela surroundings. This is the restaurant, also cool. You can enjoy the traffic views perhaps. As you can see behind me actually is busier, more people coming, so my verdict is actually Seminyak is a little bit more alive than I was filming here last times, like back in September actually, at the beginning of September. So it's good. It's good. It's middle of the week, so that does not mean as only locals. I can see some international visitors enjoying the time. So it's definitely good to see improvements here. Technically, this is how the Kayuaya Street in Seminyak in general looks like today. If you enjoy the videos like this one, don't forget, as you can always support me in any way actually by the joining Patreon perhaps, or buy me a coffee, or simply by joining the YouTube membership. Of course, any support and help is not required, but much appreciated from my heart. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.